village of Rio Grande up near Spanish Springs. Actually within like 3 or 4 minutes car ride, or 5-minute cart ride to Spanish Springs. And this is a Corpus Christi model. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, but really nice because they've extended the lanai. And it's just a great spot. So quiet, backs out onto the preserve. So sitting area out front, watch the world go by. Really nicely decorated, all new flooring, all new fixtures, ceiling fans. They even have power on all of the blinds. You can see the detail, like there's marble splash there. And look at all this space. Big couch, dining room, kitchen, big screen TV. So let's head off to the right. This is one of the bathrooms. They've done a beautiful job. All marble countertops. Really nice tiling in the bathrooms. This is the guest bathroom. And as you can see over here, here's the guest bedroom at the front of the house. This house is kind of unique because it's got 2 walk-in closets too. So both bedrooms have walk-in closets, which is really nice for space. So big, bright bedroom on the right-hand side of the house. And now let's go through the dining and kitchen over to the other side. Split design means the bedrooms are on either side of the house. Laundry space in between. And look at this big, beautiful king-size bed. Nice ceiling fans. Again, like I said, both bedrooms have walk-in closets. And look at this gorgeous new bathroom they've put in. Walk-in shower, double sinks, all the gold accents. Off to the left out of the bedroom is this beautiful big island. Kitchen's been all redone. New backsplash. Cabinetry is really nice. Seating for 6. Again, new lighting. And here's where I'm talking about this extended lanai and Florida room. This gives you so much extra space. Really comfortable. Sit out here when it's a little warmer, a little cooler, because you're all protected. And then of course there's the lanai with a ceiling fan too, so additional space. And you can see it backs out onto this preserve. All kinds of wildlife back there. Cranes and foxes, all kinds of things to see. So again, we are in the Spanish Springs area, and Spanish Springs is going through a bit of a revitalization. There's going to be the new Blondie's restaurant, a brand new Italian restaurant went in. There's a new seafood restaurant. Really changes happening over at Spanish Springs. And this rental is so close that you get all of those amenities. Plus, of course, the rec centers, the golf, everything is within a short cart ride. This does have a double car garage and a golf cart included. So I hope you enjoy the tour of this really nice Corpus Christi in the village of Rio Grande.